This is the second lecture on sentences, and it's on sentences and sentence fragments. Every sentence, to be a complete sentence, will have two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject names who or what the sentence is about, who or what's doing the action. The predicate describes the subject or tells what the subject is doing or what the subject has. So many forests are endangered. The subject is many forests. The subject is what the sentence is about. The sentence is about forests. And are endangered is our predicate. Are is the verb. Endangered is describing the forest for us. So it describes the subject. So are endangered is your predicate. If you're missing one or the other, your subject or predicate, or both, then you have a fragment. A fragment is a group that lacks a subject, a predicate, or both. So it does not express a complete thought. We often speak in fragments because we are responding to what someone else said. But in writing, you always want to write in complete sentences to ensure that whoever's reading understands what you meant. So some examples of different fragments. Lush forests is missing a predicate. The question comes to mind, lush forests are what or do what? And so to correct it, we're going to add a predicate. Lush forests provide scenic land for recreation. Okay, so we provided our predicate here, telling us what the forests do. Our second fragment, inhabits the woodlands, is missing a subject. Who or what inhabits woodlands? And so we're going to correct it by stating wildlife inhabits the woodlands, and now we have a complete sentence. Our last fragment is a prepositional phrase for animals. It's missing both a subject and a predicate. Forests provide shelter for animals. We have to give both the forest and the verb here, subject and verb. Forest provide shelter for animals. When you're looking to identify your subject and verb, it is often helpful to cross off any prepositional phrases in a sentence as you go, because then the words that are left have to contain the subject and the verb, or you have a fragment. For your assignment, I would like you to pick one of these two sentences. Today in school I. That's fragment. Or lives in Sutton. Also a fragment. You can pick either one, just one. You're going to correct it by completing the sentence and then tell me what it was missing. Was it missing a subject? Was it missing a predicate? Or was it missing both?